Thank you guys for reaching another video. This is the last video for this portion of the series. This will be part two for troubleshooting a cloud solution. So let's go ahead and get at least into what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be troubleshooting the Horizon web application, which is an OpenStack dashboard, right? So we're going to be just troubleshooting that Horizon web pretty much for the most part. It's going to be pretty straightforward, just as long as the last one. So it's not going to be pretty long. It's going to be quick and straight to the point. Let's go ahead and get started. So the Horizon web app, right, for the OpenStack dashboard, is a graphical user interface that provides access for cloud admins to create and manage cloud resources. And this is essential to be able to troubleshoot the functionality of the dashboard for continuous functionality and access to cloud resources. So what I'm going to do first is verify Horizon is functioning. So Horizon in the OpenStack environment, right, just want to make sure things are working correctly, and it's not going to be able. No one is going to be able to manage these specific cloud services without it. So the Apache service ensures that the functionality of the Horizon is working properly, right? So, which is at the same time I'm also going to do at the moment. So let's go ahead and open this up, and naturally we're going to be root. All right, and it should be in. Then let's do one of these here. Right, so we can establish a secure cell connection, right? Like normal. All right, and then we want to determine the name of the Nova container, which I pretty much did a lot of that in my last video. Stuff, right? And we need that. Perfect. Now we got the container. We at least we see the name of it. So now we can do Horizon container. Okay, perfect. So in our Nova and in the Nova container terminal, we're going to do our one of our favorite commands, right? And now we're going to verify the status of the Apache service. Mm, Now found no such file. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Yeah, we're good. Let's see what's going on here. All right, so I had to touch up on a few things so we got the proper results that are supposed to be shown, and we can see when we check the Apache services, it is up and running in actuality. So let's open up Firefox now that we see that. All right, and we're going to head to OpenStack, right? Okay. All right, perfect. And now what I'm going to do is stop the Apache service to simulate a failed service. So, not now. So by stopping the Horizon or Apache 2, whichever you like to call the service, it's going to simulate as if an error occurred in the infrastructure. For example, if the service failed to start after the server has been restarted, right? So I'm going to simulate what will happen if the Horizon service does fail. I'm actually going to minimize this really quick, and I want to open up a new session for putty, right? Actually, you know what? Let's get out of this one. It'll let me. All right, so I believe we're out. So let's do service Apache to stop. All right, so let's actually verify that it was stopped. Actually, open this up a bit better. Yep, so it did stop. Perfect, 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 perfect. I'm actually going to exit out of here. All right, so I'm actually going to reopen Firefox. All right, now if I refresh it, I get this. That's expected. The service unavailable. All right, so the page isn't as it's not accessible. So now I'm going to troubleshoot the Apache service. So the service was stopped to simulate a failed service. So troubleshooting techniques are I'm going to use them in order in this task for me to rectify the error. So now I'm just going to troubleshoot the Horizon service and restore the functionality of the OpenStack dashboard. So let's actually do that, and let's actually have it started back up. Okay. And then I'm going to verify that it is running again. Active and running, just like we want. All right, so we can actually quit out of here. Oh, we already did, looks like. So let's actually restore Firefox and then let's refresh. Perfect. So the error that occurred previously, even though it was self-inflicted, has been fixed by restarting the Apache service. So, and that brings us to the end of the video. For troubleshooting a cloud solution part 2. Just for a very brief recap, we troubleshooted the Horizon web application or the OpenStack dashboard. Can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store for the other part of the series. Until then, when I see you there, you stay curious, stay secure.